Hello everyone and welcome to my vlogs. Today I am making some healthy recipes. So for lunch I am making some chicken steak. So to the chicken steak I added some peri-peri seasoning and some olive oil and I mixed it together. Then I pan fried my chicken steak onto a pan. It also had some chili flakes added in before and also some chili powder just to give it a bit of spice. The reason I cut it a little bit smaller is so it cooks quicker. And I pan fried these for about 7 minutes on each side. I had some green beans that were boiling in the pan and I also made a peppercorn sauce to go with the chicken. So on my plate I have some mushrooms that have been cut up, fried with garlic and onions, and I'm just adding the boiled green beans. And here is my peppercorn sauce that I'm going to add to my chicken, and this will make the chicken nice and moist and add some juiciness to it. I also added it to the mushrooms because peppercorn sauce goes so well with mushrooms. So this turned out really nice. It was so full of flavour. The peppercorn made it had a bit of a kick to it, and the mushrooms had so much garlic flavour, and the peri-peri chicken had a little bit of spice which made it all come together very nicely. The chips were healthy because they were made with potatoes that were cut up into small parts and then they were put in the air fryer, so there was no oils used in it at all. The chicken was really nicely cooked as well. It had all the flavours marinated inside. And for dinner later that day I made some chicken noodle soup, some Vietnamese chicken noodle soup, and I also was making a pad thai, which is a Thai noodle dish which is full of flavour. So I started off by making the chicken. The chicken was made to go into both dishes, to the noodles soup and for the noodles. So I added some soya sauce, some chili powder, some onions, some peppers, and I mixed it together. In the other pan I had a spice infused bag. It looked a bit like a tea bag, but it had spices in it, not anything to do with tea. It was just some Vietnamese flavouring for noodles. And then I added in the cooked rice noodles and some dark soya sauce. I gave it a bit of a mix. So this is a bit of like a starter to have some noodle soup. I will add the chicken to it later. And in the other dish I was making the pad thai, so I used some of the Thai sauce. It has like a sweet sort of sauce, and I also added some soya sauce, some cut up peanuts, and then I also added in some peppers and onions, some garlic, some soya sauce. I also added in chili flakes and the chicken from the other pan was added in to both of these dishes. So this is the noodle soup and this is the pad thai. I didn't get to record the full process of making these as one of the footage got deleted, but in the pad thai I also added some eggs. So as this is a noodle soup, it is quite brothy and it's got a lot of liquid in. And this one's got all the different flavours. It tastes very different to chow mein as it is Thai noodles. And on this pan I just had the leftovers from yesterday, the chicken and the beans, so I was just warming them up by frying them together. This is the next day and I had made a chicken curry with peppers and some bindi, which is okra, and some aubergines which have been cut up and spiced and just fried onto the pan. I had this with white rice. It had a lot of Asian flavour. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.